Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your tagged account from your mobile device. If you have created an account on tagged application, then now you can log into it using the email address or password you have set while creating the account. Then you'll have the access to meet people by age, location, interest, and more. In addition to these chat functions, there is also a Meet Me section on the site which is very similar to the online dating application Tinder. Users can flick through possible matches, view profiles, and like profiles. If another users like you back, then you are alerted to the match. In order to get started, first go to the tagged application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Once you open it, you'll land onto the login page of your tagged application. Now in here, you need to enter your email ID and then your password that you have set while creating your tagged account. In order to make sure your password is correct, go and tap onto the show password option. And once you have checked it, go and tap onto login. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can go to the forgot password option and tap onto it in order to reset your password. Or you can also log in directly with your Google account or your existing Facebook or Apple ID. So make a choice and fill up the required information. Once you do that, you will have successfully logged into your tagged account. And if you want to log out of your account, then you can go to the top left corner and tap onto these three horizontal lines. Now go to the settings icon that is on the right side of your username. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can see there is a logout option. Tap on it. And you can log out by tapping onto the logout option anytime you want. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.